In this video, I'll guide you through how to manage invoice overpayments in Wave accounting. Handling overpayments can seem a bit tricky, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll be able to manage them with ease. Let's dive in and sort this out together. First, let's make sure you're in the right place. You'll want to start by navigating to the accounting section. Look to your left-hand menu sidebar layout, and you'll see an option labeled Transactions. Click on that to open up the Transactions page. This section is where you'll be able to view and manage all the financial movements for your business, so it's a good idea to become familiar with it. Now that you're in the Transactions section, the next step is to add a new transaction. You'll see a button labeled Add Transaction. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Add Expense. This is the option you'll use whether you're logging the cash outflow manually or if it's already recorded in your bank account as a refund. At this point, you'll need to fill out the transaction card with some specific details. Let's break down each part to make sure everything is clear and accurate. First, you'll enter the date. This should be the day you sent the refund back to your client. It's important to be precise with this information to ensure your records are accurate. Next, focus on the amount field. Here, you'll input the exact overpayment discrepancy amount that you're returning to your client. Double-check this number to ensure it matches the overpayment exactly. Accurate figures are crucial for maintaining balanced accounts and avoiding any future confusion. Finally, you'll need to select the account. This should be the same bank account from which the refund was deducted. Make sure you choose the correct one to reflect the transaction accurately in your financial records. This step is vital for maintaining the integrity of your financial data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully managed an invoice overpayment in Wave accounting. Keeping your accounting records clear and accurate is essential for running your business smoothly, and handling overpayments correctly is a big part of that. Remember, consistency is key when managing your finances. Always double-check your entries and keep your records up to date. If you frequently handle overpayments, it might be helpful to set a routine for checking and managing these in your accounting system. I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and easier for you. By following these steps, you can confidently handle invoice overpayments in Wave accounting, ensuring your books are always in top shape. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful accounting tutorials.